Have you ever sat down with a cup of coffee, looked out the window, and thought about how amazing it would be to turn your everyday life into something that not only inspires others, but also brings in a little extra cash? I mean, lifestyle vlogging is such an incredible opportunity. Imagine sharing your morning routines, your travel adventures, or even those grocery hauls that might seem mundane, but actually hold a special charm. It's not just about the glamorous moments, it's about celebrating the little things that make life beautiful. So today, let's dive into how you can become a lifestyle vlogger, step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. First things first, let's talk about finding your niche. Lifestyle vlogging is a broad field, but narrowing it down to specific themes can really help you connect with the right audience. Think about what you're passionate about. Is it wellness and self-care? Maybe you're all about sharing your daily routines or documenting your travel escapades. Or perhaps fashion and beauty are your jam, where you can offer outfit ideas or makeup tips. The trick is to choose something that genuinely excites you, something you can chat about effortlessly. Your enthusiasm will shine through, and trust me, that's what will draw people in. Now, I can hear you thinking, but I don't have fancy equipment. Here's the good news. You really don't need it. Most successful vloggers started with nothing more than their smartphones. Seriously, your phone likely has excellent video quality these days. To kick things off, all you really need is your smartphone, some good lighting. Natural light works wonders, and maybe a small microphone to enhance your audio. But don't stress too much about that right now. Just focus on creating content that showcases your personality and what you love. Next up is authenticity. And let me tell you, this is crucial in lifestyle vlogging. People crave connection, and they want to see the real you, not some polished version that feels unattainable. So don't hesitate to show your true self. Talk to the camera like you would to a friend. Share the ups and downs, the fun moments, and the challenges. If you're vlogging about a typical day, include those mundane moments, like making breakfast or choosing what to wear. Those relatable snippets are what build a connection with your audience. Now, how do you keep your viewers engaged? Storytelling is key here. Every video should have a narrative arc, a beginning, a middle, and an end. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Even the simplest day can tell a story. Use music and light editing to enhance the viewing experience, but don't go overboard. Keep it lively and fun. And remember to add values to your content. If you're sharing a morning routine, explain why each step is meaningful to you. Your viewers will appreciate the insights and tips you provide. Finally, let's chat about growing your audience. Building a community around your vlogs takes time and effort, but it's so worth it. Engage with your viewers by responding to their comments and asking for their thoughts. Collaborate with other vloggers to reach new audiences, and don't forget to promote your content on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. The more you connect with your viewers, the more they'll feel invested in your journey. And don't shy away from asking for likes and subscriptions. Sometimes a simple reminder can make a huge difference. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your journey as a lifestyle vlogger? Whether you're sharing fitness tips, delicious recipes, or exciting travel stories, your unique perspective is incredibly valuable. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on building a successful YouTube channel. Your life is a story waiting to be told. So grab that camera and start vlogging today.